It's been a cloudy and wet start to the day for many parts of eastern South Africa, and this afternoon we'll see further stormy conditions over Limpopo and in Mpumalanga. Along the east coast and the adjacent interior, it remains cloudy and cold today, especially near the mountainous regions, while towards the western parts of the country, sunshine has returned and we're expecting warming temperatures over much of the Western Cape. The South African Weather Service has issued 2 watches for today. The first is for the likelihood of heavy rainfall amounts exceeding 50 millimeters in places over KwaZulu-Natal as well as in Mpumalanga. And the second watch is for very rough seas along the northern KwaZulu-Natal coastline, where wave heights may exceed 4 meters at times. Chances of rainfall, where we're expected between a 60 and an 80% chance of rain over eastern South Africa. Especially good chances are forecast along that eastern escarpment. Isolated showers and thundershowers for the central and western Free States, and there's still a chance of light rain over parts of the Eastern Cape today. No rain expected for the Northern and Western Cape. Maximum temperatures now, where we see that it's going to be quite cool in places over the eastern parts of South Africa, into the teens for Pietermaritzburg and Bishu, 23 degrees for Graaf-Reinet in the south. Warm weather continues for Gauteng with Johannesburg at 27, hot for the central parts, and temperatures remaining mild along the western and southern coastline of the country. Coastal conditions now, where we're expecting windy weather to continue for Alexander Bay as well as Namaqualand, wave heights averaging between 3 and 3.5 meters. We're expecting southerly to southeasterly winds to be fresh around the Cape Peninsula today, not quite as bad as we head further south for Hermanus and Cape Agulhas, swells averaging at 3 meters as well. Along the south coast, we're expecting easterly to southeasterly winds for much of the region today, moderate for Mossel Bay at 25 kilometers per hour, swells remaining relatively unchanged at 3 meters and continuing to come in with a southwesterly direction. And along the eastern coastline, we see strong winds for Durban and Richards Bay, and along with that, elevated swells between 3.5 and 4 meters as an average, and southeasterly winds return to East London, coming in at 20 kilometers per hour.